Please subscribe for more updates. Severe thunderstorms capable of large hail, strong damaging wind gusts, and perhaps a couple of tornadoes are possible across parts of the southern Great Plains Thursday afternoon and evening. A mid-upper-level low over southern CA is forecast to eject northeastward toward the Great Basin on Thursday as a negatively tilted trough. Ahead of this feature, a mid-level shortwave trough of subtropical origin and an attendant speed maximum are forecast to move from far west Texas toward the southern Great Plains through the day. A surface low is forecast to gradually deepen across southeast CO, as a dry line becomes better defined during the afternoon from the eastern TX Panhandle western OK into northwest TX and the Edwards Plateau. For southern Central Plains, widespread mid-high cloudiness will likely spread across much of the central southern plains in association with the subtropical shortwave trough, but some filtered heating of an increasingly moist boundary layer will result in moderate destabilization east of the dry line across parts of TXOK, and potentially as far north as southern/central KS. Meanwhile, moderate mid/upper-level flow will support effective shear of 40 to 50 kT across parts of TXOK, with somewhat weaker deep layer flow shear expected farther north into the central plains. These factors will result in a conditional risk of organized convection along east of the dry line, while most guidance shows at least widely scattered storm development across parts of OKTX during the afternoon. Convective evolution remains quite uncertain across the warm sector. Some REF members initiate elevated convection during the early mid-afternoon from northwest TX into OK, which is plausible given notable moistening above the surface in the presence of modestly favorable mid-level lapse rates. Any elevated convection could still pose a hail wind threat, but may disrupt the potential for supercell development later in the diurnal cycle.